Have you ever had a killer idea for a WordPress plugin, but felt completely stuck on how to bring it to life? Maybe you've sat there staring at your computer, knowing you could help thousands of people, if only you knew how to turn that idea into reality. But the moment you see lines of code, your eyes glaze over. You're not a programmer. The thought of hiring a developer feels overwhelming. Where do you find the right person? What will it cost? What if it all goes wrong? Truth is, you aren't alone. So many entrepreneurs have incredible plugin ideas that could disrupt their market, solve real problems, and even create a whole new stream of income. But most never take the next step, because they're paralyzed by technical details, hiring nightmares, or a simple lack of clear direction. Their ideas go nowhere. And their dreams? Well, they stay just that, dreams. Imagine if you could break through those barriers, right now. Imagine having a simple step-by-step blueprint that walks you through turning your plugin idea into a real sellable solution. Imagine seeing your own plugin helping real people, getting downloads and bringing in revenue, without you ever having to write a single line of code. Imagine becoming the entrepreneur who doesn't just dream, but actually launches and scales a software business. That's exactly what you'll get with the How to Turn Your Idea into a WordPress Plugin video course from DigitalBuzz Academy. This isn't just another technical tutorial, this is a complete 9-part training built specifically for non-programmers, entrepreneurs who want results, not headaches. Inside, we break down everything. How to research profitable plugin ideas, validate your concept, define exactly what your plugin should do, and design a user interface that people actually love. You'll learn how to write clear specifications so developers can build your vision the right way, fast, and you'll discover proven strategies for launching your plugin like a pro. But that's just the beginning. For a limited time, you also get 2 powerful bonuses. First, how to hire a WordPress programmer to produce a great plugin, a complete video course that shows you exactly how to find, vet, and hire the right developer at the right price, so you avoid costly mistakes and get your plugin built to perfection. You'll finally have the confidence to manage your project, even if you've never hired anyone before. Second, profit from your WP plugin, a comprehensive guide to monetization strategies. This premium ebook is packed with actionable tips to help you turn your plugin into a money-making machine, covering everything from subscription models, in-app purchases, licensing, marketing, and so much more. With this system, you'll not only build a high-quality WordPress plugin from scratch, you'll learn how to market, sell, and scale it for long-term profit. No coding required, no more wasted potential. Your idea deserves to become reality. Your story could be the next big WordPress success, but only if you take action. Enroll now and unlock your WordPress plugin potential today.